Oh hey, welcome to day one. I wanted to start off this video by showing you what we're going to be working on this week. This is the floor. It is kind of two rooms. This is a master bedroom as well as a living room area. We see here where this plywood is. We're going to be tearing all of that out and repairing the floor. We have a few transitions to build, and we're going to be doing a natural refinish of this hardwood floor. So I'll be posting a video day by day showing you every step of the process. So here you see me removing the base in this area where we're going to be doing these repairs. And underneath, I was not expecting this. I can't tell you that today went how I wanted it to. Today was not an awesome day. So you see me struggling here. There was a million nails holding these pieces of plywood down. Underneath, I thought that there would be some subflooring. I assumed that this plywood was kind of just here to make it the same level. Also, there's like eggs underneath. I don't know if you want to look there and see if you recognize what they are. I didn't know. I thought maybe like snake eggs or something. So that was pretty weird. So I did end up cleaning all that out of there. So I didn't know totally how to fix this. This is not something I've come across before. And these 2x6s were sitting too high. With that plywood on top, it made it the same level as the top of the floor. So what I decided to do was basically cut off the very top of these 2x6s. I shaved off 3/4 of an inch or so all the way around using my oscillator. I just measured down 3/4 of an inch and started cutting a line across, and then I would use a pry bar and hammer, chisel, whatever it took to just peel off about 3/4 of an inch from the top of all of this wood. That way I didn't have to pull out any of the framing or anything like that. That is definitely not my area of expertise. So I figured the best way to do it, it's kind of a weird way to do it. And like I said, I had not done that before, but to get it to the right level, I decided to shave down all those 2x6s down 3/4 of an inch and then put the plywood back. Doing that made it the right height so that I could do these repairs and start installing the wood back into place. Like I said, nothing was going right today. If you see all these white spots all over my shirt, that is when a bird decided to have diarrhea all over me. So that was pretty awesome. I loved it. I hope that continues to happen every day. Just kidding. It was horrible. And between the repairs not going right, the bird pooping, it was just not an awesome day today, guys. But I was able to get this part of the repair done anyway. So here you see me. It's the right height now that we had shaved off those 2x6s. And I'm installing back this red oak. It's 2 1/4 select red oak. So here you see me installing that back, cutting it at a 45-degree angle there. And it's also a 45-degree on the other side here. I didn't do a great job of showing the entire area. But installing that back. Tomorrow is when we're going to officially start sanding. I had hoped to start today, but it took me entirely too long to do everything I did today. Like I said, today was just not my day, not going my way, but I was happy to get this repair at least out of the way, out of my face, and then tomorrow we will start getting ready to sand. We do have 2 transitions we have to build as well, and we'll build those, and then we're going to go ahead and get to sanding. This floor, I don't know if I mentioned or not, is going to be a natural, and so I will plan to see you tomorrow for day 2.